Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. It's a phenomenal boat. It's a very sporty boat. It's loaded up. Let's take a look at the outside of the boat. We've got the black hull sides and also the black bottom, which is very, very sharp looking. The lines on it are absolutely gorgeous. Stainless steel insert on the rub rail. Big flared out bow, so it handles the bigger water very nicely and very dry. Get the white boot stripe for a nice highlight as you go down the side. You get the larger recessed trim tabs on it. And as we move around to the back of the boat, it's powered by the Mercury Verados. You get twin 300s. It's a ton of power. The new motors are lighter. They're quieter. There's less vibration. They're just a real phenomenal engine. And it's also powered with the joystick as well. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310. Let's start at the back of the boat. Huge sun pad on the back of the boat. It's fantastic. Plenty of room to put 3 or 4 people very, very comfortably back here. We also have a swim platform. You can deploy this out and you can swim on and off it. It's a great way to get on and off the boat safely. And also, because we have outboards now, this is where the engine used to be. It's huge storage. So anything you're going to need to have on the boat, you've got plenty of room to keep it right in here. As we move onto the boat, you've got a cooler, you've got a boarding step, you've got L-shaped seating that goes around, which is very comfortable. And then also you can take this seat here. If you're not riding, you can spin it around, and now it makes a complete circle for seating right here. Fantastic. You can put 8 adults really comfortably just right here. Prep station here, refrigerator. Keep the beverages cold. Half a bag of ice will fit in the freezer. And then let me move this back around on here. And we have the head area. So we've got real teak down in there. You got plenty of room. You've got the vacuum flush head. Got a good sized window for light and fresh air and a sink there. Okay, over at the helm, we've got 2 neat features. You've got the digital throttle and shift here. And then the joystick does 3 things. You're docking and you need to go sideways. You can just push like this, and this boat will go directly sideways, both directions. You've got sky hook. I can lock myself into position if I'm getting ready to tie up into a marina or a sunset or whatever it may be. Nice feature. And it also has auto heading, which is an autopilot. You can point and shoot. It'll go straight, get you there faster and less fuel. So nice feature as well. Then we've got the twin Simrads recess mounted. You can have different screens on there at the same time. Plus, it's also a backup in case one of them fails. Fusion stereo. You've got your breaker panel in here. And then up at the bow, real comfortable seating up here. 2 big lounge chairs up here with armrests on it. Sound system is great on this boat as well. You've got a place to put an umbrella right here. It can go on either side for shade up on the bow of the boat. And then you've got the stainless steel anchor in the back. So the boat does just about everything. It's loaded up great, drives great. You'll have a ball on it. If you got any questions on it, please give me a call at 603-213-1194.